The WATS Operator Interface is where your operator can assess a unit's status and perform inspections and repairs. To get started, a unit needs to be loaded by filling in one or more unit IDs in the top field row. We support the use of barcode scanners, which can be set up in the OI configuration page. But if no barcodes are available, the unit ID can be typed in and loaded by pressing the Apply button. To get started, I will first scan an example unit. Once the unit is loaded, your start page, which in this case is set to Unit Verification, will open. The Unit Verification view gives you a quick overview of the device status and a grading from A to E depending on are all tests passed, are they executed in the correct order, and whether retesting and repairs has been done. In this case, we can see that this unit has passed all 4 required tests in the first pass, the tests are executed in the correct order, and no repairs are logged, giving this unit a status of OK, grading A and 5 stars. And now let's scan another example with some failures. For this unit, we can see the grading is E, and the reason not all tests has passed. To inspect the run in more detail, the serial number history is also available in a separate view. Here you can see all runs with their respective statuses and access the test reports. When repairing a failed unit, the repair actions can be logged directly in the operator interface. To initiate a repair, with a unit loaded, click the wrench icon. Before you start logging failure codes, you'll be asked to link the repair to a failed step. And once in the repair interface, you will be able to log one or more failure categories, failure codes, as well as references to the failing components. Loading a boom list for the product will enable a drop-down of all available component references. In this case, the unit is a module consisting of 2 subunits, and here we can log failures to the subunits as well and do replacements when necessary. Images and comments to the repair can also be logged. Once the repair is done, the report can be submitted and will be available in the serial number history as well for repair analysis. In some cases, tests and inspections need to be performed manually by the operator. In these cases, the WATS manual inspections can be used to perform and log these inspections. The inspection sequences are designed in the control panel's production manager. Use the document icon to initiate a manual inspection, and the operator will be guided through a step-by-step sequence with different options of logging the results of the inspection. A window to the right gives you the option to include individual instruction for the operator for each of the steps, and the completed and submitted inspection report will be available in the serial number history and for analysis in the reporting module.